Yes, yes, finally we are now at Barangay Lamyawan. So, kauban nato ang Upsilon Phi Sigma 1935. So, there you go. And, of course, so there you go. I think we will proceed to other area. So yan mga kauban nato, mga organization nga kanunay mutabang bisag kinsa nga kalamidad. Sa Lamyawan.
First time.
How about you?
Yes, it's my first.
How does it feel that is your first
Ganahan ako
time?
ng surroundings kasi nature siya.
Preserve pa, di ba?
Preserve.
Look at this one. Nindot ilahang kuan. Mura siya painting lang. And untouchable pa yung kanilang forest. Di ba? Hoping and praying na sana hindi ito masira. Ayan, ang ato ang mga kauban. So perfect.
Nice ka rin.
So perfect kaayo and very malamig. Not because siguro ulan-ulan. And recording.